Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be reviewing the 50 acrylic paint tubes set by GenCrafts. Now I own their watercolor brush pens and their watercolor palette and I absolutely love them. I made some reviews for those as well, so I'm going to link them in this video so you can also watch them. I was very impressed with all the colors in this set. They have a great variety and the colors are very vibrant. I will say that these are student grade because of the consistency of the paint. They tend to be kind of transparent and a little bit difficult to layer, but if you're starting out and would like to have a lot of color options, this set is for you. These are made of aluminum and they have the color swatch around the tube with the name and number. Each tube contains 22 milliliters of paint, and these are designed in the US and are non-toxic, making them perfect for children. I'm going to swatch all of this for you so you can see all the beautiful colors in this set. Meanwhile, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video. GenCrafts is offering a 15% off coupon code that I will link in the description box for those of you who would like to try their products. Now, I want to say that this is not a sponsored video and the opinions about the products are honest and real. It was such a sad moment for me laying the paint on the paper. So relaxing, and the colors, as you can see, look so rich. I received two of the same color by mistake. I contacted them and they immediately responded and already sent me the one that I'm missing. All of these colors reminded me of Josie Louis' art. She is a very colorful artist that loves to make satisfying videos. She works with acrylics, with alcohol inks. Her work is beautiful. Now I'm going to make an avocado painting demo for you, but first I'm creating a color swatch. I wanted to create a very textured painting, and these paints were perfect for that technique. Some artists will say that it's not necessary to have a lot of colors since you can mix, but I differ since it's so much easier to grab the color you need and start painting without losing time mixing. Special thanks to GenCrafts for sending me these paints to show you. Don't forget to use your 15% off coupon code that will be linked in the description box. Like and share with your friends and subscribe to this channel. I wanted to end this video with an art quote from Jeff Goins that says, "The job of an artist is to offer a sanctuary of beauty to an ugly world." We are living difficult times worldwide. Keep creating, keep inspiring others to believe in the healing power of art. Love you all, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.